While sitting at the back of his classroom, AumSum felt a tickle in his throat. His eyes widened. A cough was coming, but instead of letting it out, he decided to hold it in. At first, nothing seemed to happen. AumSum gave a proud little smile to himself. No noise, no fuss. He had kept the class quiet. But a strange pressure began building in his chest. As the lesson went on, the pressure moved up toward his head. His cheeks puffed out, his eyes watered, and the tickle returned, fiercer than before. He clenched his jaw and squeezed his lips together. He was determined not to cough. Later that evening at home, he tried to lie down and rest, but the feeling hadn't gone. In fact, it had gotten worse. His mom noticed he looked pale and uncomfortable. A doctor visit followed, and after a quick check, the answer was simple. Holding in a cough could cause all sorts of trouble. Coughing was the body's way of clearing the airways, not something to be ashamed of or hidden. From that day on, AumSum never tried to trap his cough again.